Well, postponed elections, drive-through testing, and restricted airports, those are just a few of the latest changes dealing with the COVID-19 outbreak. This morning, Governor Larry Hogan outlined the measures Maryland is taking to combat the coronavirus.
And it would endanger public health to allow thousands of people to assemble in places like schools and senior centers, which are already closed under the state of emergency.
You can add Maryland's primary elections to things delayed or canceled thanks to the state of emergency caused by the coronavirus outbreak. The primaries will now be held on June 2nd instead of April 28th. Early voting will take place from May 21st through the 28th. Meanwhile, the special election for the congressional seat held by the late Elijah Cummings will be held using mail-in absentee ballots only. To date, there are 57 COVID-19 cases in the state. The virus has led to the temporary closures of casinos, movie theaters, gyms, bars, and restaurants. If you want to go out and eat, it has to be carry-out, delivery, or drive-through only. And soon, food may not be the only thing that you can get at a drive-through. To expand access to COVID-19 testing, the governor says that he wants to close all vehicle emission stations and convert them into drive-through testing facilities. He says that way it will lessen exposure to both patients and healthcare professionals.
Right now there are not enough tests, and only the people that really have that we need to test need to get their tests. Some states have opened up testing facilities with no ability whatsoever to do the test. They have drive-thrus that were overloaded with thousands of people, and they have no ability to do the test. We do not want to be in that kind of a situation. So we're working together to make sure we can get people tested, but that we can actually get a result. We don't want people lined up, jamming in places to get a test that they can't get or that we can't process.
The governor is also imposing strict restrictions on who can enter BWI Marshall Airport.
We are taking immediate steps to enact increased social distancing and are discouraging anyone from entering the terminal unless they are a traveling passenger or reporting to a job.
Hogan says since air traffic has basically come to a halt, most of the new COVID-19 cases are coming from community-based exposure. He says he's hoping these austere measures help flatten the curve of new cases.